Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kindergarten Special. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel so you'll get new and more videos. Today we are going to discuss about birds' names. Okay children, listen carefully. Peacock. Peacocks are the national bird of India. Crow. Crows are extremely intelligent birds. Crows have an excellent memory. Eagle. They build enormous nest. They don't need to eat every day. Parrot. Parrots taste with the tops of their beaks. Sparrow. Sparrows are usually fly at the speed of 24 miles per hour. Myna. Mynas are able to learn mimic human voices. Owl. Owls are active at night. Duck. Ducks have regional accents. They are super social animals. Swan. Swan live for a long time. Pigeon. Pigeons may have been the first domesticated bird. Cuckoo. Cuckoo's favorite diet in hairy caterpillars. Ostrich. Lifespan of ostrich is 30 to 40 years. Weight of ostrich is 150 kgs. Vulture. Vultures can travel up to 200 miles in a day. Flamingo. Flamingo nests are made up of mud. Heron. Heron lives in freshwater habitats. Thank you children for listening.